AirCorps Aviation is a once-in-a-lifetime job opportunity because you get to take part in rebuilding history and seeing it fly again. My name is Neil Osborne. I started here about 2 years ago from southern Minnesota, and I work in the restoration department. Here at AirCorps, I'm a team lead. My main role is to manage the projects, manage the guys, then I also help with restoring the airplanes myself. When I started here at AirCorps, I had zero aviation experience, but with the team around here, all of the experience, I have grown and learned how to read all the drawings. There's so many great teachers, and everyone's willing to help each other. So if you're struggling with something, they're going to help you right away. The Bemidji area is really nice. It's relaxing. There's beautiful scenery, so if you like being out on the lake, it's enjoyable. If you're considering working in aviation, this is a great job to work. We are looking for craftsmen and people that have the desire to work on airplanes.